Hey guys, so I'm going to be trying something a little new today that I've never used before, and it's a liquid glitter eyeshadow from E.L.F. And I picked it up yesterday, and I'm getting ready to go to work, so it's gonna be a really quick video. I've already got my foundation on my brows done, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab my MAC Painterly Pro Longwear paint pot, and I'm going to just dip in it with my fingers and apply on my lids. I absolutely love this stuff, and this stuff's also great for shaping up eyebrows and eyeliner. If you don't want to use concealer, this stuff is also really good, and I like it a little bit more than concealer because I feel like with concealer you have to like blend it out, but with this you just sort of put it on and it's already nice and blended. Alright, so that looks good. So I don't really know what to expect with this, like if I need to lay down some eyeshadow first or if I can just sort of dip right into this. So I'm going to go ahead, open it up, and do a swatch. Okay, so it's very tiny compared to the packaging. So I got it in black. Okay, so there that is. Go ahead and do a little swatch. Okay. So I mean, let's see like how easily that buffs out. I don't know. I think I might go ahead and try to just put it right on there. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. Ooh. I've been watching like the Lady Gaga, like Haus Laboratories, like glitter shadow. I need a mirror. I'm already like blind. Like the Haus Laboratories Lady Gaga, like her liquid metallic eyeshadow. And I've been watching like reviews, like the Jeffree Star reviews and stuff on it. And that stuff looks amazing. But if I can get this stuff to go pretty well. I mean, I can already tell it's definitely a lot more sheer than the Haus Labs stuff, but I don't know. So I'm gonna go ahead, I have that on, and I'm going to look for just a little brush. I kind of like my blending brush more. I can find it. Here it is. Okay. So I have it on. Let's see if it blends. Like, does it stay liquidy? Does it turn powdery? Does it do anything at all besides go on there? Let's see. Okay. All right. Blends out nicely. It's definitely not like black, so when I get the black color, it's definitely not, it doesn't stay black. Okay, so that's sort of like how the end result is for that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the other eye. And we can also compare, like once you manipulate it versus when you put it on. So it's like, who cares if you get messy with it because buff it out anyway. So it definitely stays way more black. And then I waited a little bit when I did this one. So this one I'm just gonna immediately start to like move it around. Sort of like press it into the lid and then blend it out. Okay. Okay. It's not bad. It's definitely subtle. Okay, now let's see if we go ahead and put another layer on. Does it intensify? Does it stay? Like, what is it doing here? Okay, so we'll go back to that first eye. Second layer now. Okay. All right. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put it on this side. Okay. It's not as intense as I would like hope for it, because like when you see it in here, it's like black on the eyes. Not so much. One thing I can say I appreciate about this is that I have really big eyelids, so a lot of times when I put something on my lid and then I open my eyes and I close it, it'll be like up here, and this is not doing that. So I definitely like that moment. Okay, just sort of makes it like more and more glittery. This is definitely like a gray, which they have like a silver color. And I can definitely say that I feel like the brush is taking off the product from my lid. So I'm going to go in for a third time, and I'm just going to focus close to my lash line this time. Okay, and I am going to just throw it in my bag because I am not going to put another layer on, and I'm just going to do this one with my finger. And again, it's definitely coming off a lot when I touch it. Okay, all right, so that is that. It's just very like, it's just like wiping off and stuff. I don't really, I don't like that. I'm honestly gonna like blot my lid because I feel like it's so heavy in some areas and then just not in other areas. Like this part, there's a part on my lid here. You can see it good right there. It's like there's nothing there, like there's no product. Oh my god, here I go for a fourth time with this right in that spot. I'm honestly not even gonna like rub that one in. Just gonna leave it dry, hopefully, and hopefully it dries like that. Okay, so my final thoughts on this. I think this is a super cute idea for like my daughter to play with. As far as me utilizing it, this is not as brushed out on this side. I'm gonna say no. Like I wasn't even trying to do like a crazy makeup look with this. I was just literally trying to just put it on my face and not go haywire. See, like I want to like just leave it on there, but then I feel like, okay, that's like, it looks too concentrated. Okay. I would like to put a eyeliner on top of this, but I'm honestly afraid it's going to take the product off, and I just don't have the time right now to be fucking with this. So I'm just going to put on some of my Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. Ooh. Okay, just one eye down. And then that means I need a Q-tip for that. And then oof. Okay. I got shit all over my face. So first get this shit off. Okay. And this one's pretty good. This side though. Okay. Alright. We might as well finish out the rest of the look here. It does look a lot better with the mascara done. So after that, to finish out my little look, I'm going to get my little brush. I'm wearing black eye stuff. So I think I'm going to go ahead and use my Jeffree Star Cosmetics Skin Frost Mystery Frost that came out in the last Halloween box. And that's what it looks like. There's like little black specks and stuff in it. I love it. It definitely comes out kind of like an orangish color. And I love it. Definitely goes good. So like while I'm finishing my makeup, I'm kind of like now not hating this E.L.F stuff on my face. I'm thinking, you know, I did just do it without any eyeshadow. Maybe that was my mistake. And maybe next time I should try it with a little eyeshadow base and then go over it. I think that would look pretty. Okay. And then with this stuff, I mean, of course, love these Skin Frosts. And then I just put some whoop on my finger. And I go right up against that brow line. It just adds a little bit of extra shine. Oof. Okay. So that's that. And then I'm going to pick out a lip. And I have all my lips in this whole bag. Mostly just like Jeffree Star with some Kylie lips. And I'm going to go ahead and use Christmas Cookie. We got all like this Halloween colors and Skin Frost going on. I want to use a Christmas lip. Okay. I feel like I still had like toothpaste on me. Okay. I'm gonna set this base. I just bought a new one. Let's see if I can get anything out of this old one. Okay. Alright. And then just go in. Perfect. Alright. So that is the look for today. Okay. I think it's cute. Then maybe I'll just leave my hair up like this too. Alright. So if you guys enjoyed the video, drop some comments down below. Have you used this product before? It said it was new, but maybe I'm just behind. But anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and you'll have a good day.